Hi there, today I'm doing a super casual vlog style video and I'll be showing you all of the toys that my kids have and where I store them. If you're new to my channel, my name's Mel. I do a lot of cleaning, organising, decluttering and simple tips for other busy mums. So if that's the kind of content you're interested in, I'd love to have you click the red subscribe button below and join me on my YouTube journey. For me this is minimal because we used to have a lot more toys, like at least 3 to 4 times this many, and it used to drive me nuts and it would just get all over the place and the place would always be a mess. I know that some people would have even less, so I know I may get some comments on this video saying you're not a minimalist, but I feel like I'm living a more minimalist life than I ever did before, and minimalism looks different for everybody. For me this is pretty minimal. I have 2 kids, my son is 7 and my daughter is 3, so that will help give some context to this when I show you what they've got. Okay, so most of the toys are kept in here. This is the IKEA Kallax unit and it comes with these separate boxes, and then also you can get these doors to go on it, or you can just have the whole thing open. And that's just a basket from Kmart, which currently only has like a box of tissues in it and some of those things from Woolworths that were craze a few months ago. Alright, so I'm going to start over here. The behind door number 1, we just have some toddler books. These are all my daughter's books, and to be honest, she doesn't really look at the books down here. She prefers to read her books in her bedroom, but we've got quite a big box of books in her bedroom, so I had room in here, so I've just put those there in case we wanted to read to her in the living room, but come to think of it, we don't really, so maybe it might be time to transfer these to her bedroom. In here is just a wooden Brio car garage that I bought my son 2 Christmases ago, I think, and it also connects to the wooden railway track, which if you flip the wooden tracks over for the Tank Engine train tracks, it's got like lanes printed on it, so you can have railway tracks on one side and road on the other side. Behind door number 3, nothing. Woody and Buzz used to live in here and I recently decluttered those. Here I've just got some wooden puzzles and a latch board, lock board thing for my daughter. It's supposed to be good for fine motor skills, and that is just a set of, I think I got these from Aldi, like 5 wooden princess puzzles, like it's thin wood. And then another puzzle there. So in the first 2 drawers here, we just have the Thomas the Tank Engine Trackmaster set. So this is the battery operated one. And I feel like my son has grown out of it, but he wants to keep this. That's like a mixture of 3 or 4 different sets, I think, and quite a few trains, which probably all at the bottom. But yeah, so we just keep those in there. Drawer number 3 is just a whole lot of Lego Duplo. I think that's a couple of sets in there. And I basically stopped buying Lego, and if someone asks me what I want for the kids, like for their birthdays and stuff, usually I'll say anything's fine except for we've got enough Lego. I think the Lego's great for the kids, but we've just got enough of it now. And in this drawer it's all kind of miscellaneous stuff, which is my daughter's. So there's a cat in a handbag, there's this cute little wooden bowling set that she got for her birthday from her friend, and some balls and their doctor's kit, and yeah, just a few random things that are all sort of meshed in together. So that is everything that is in there. This is my daughter's kitchen. We bought this from Aldi. I bought it earlier last year and just kept it hidden for a few months for Christmas, and I like it because it's white, it just sort of, it's neutral, it blends in, and we just keep all of the stuff in there. So in here it's a wooden high tea set. I got this from Aldi. This is really cool. It comes with like little ice creams and little cakes that you can, it's got Velcro, you can cut the cake into quarters and put it back together and make cups of tea, things like that. And in here it was all like the rest of her play food, which just kind of gets shoved in there randomly. I think that belongs to the high tea set. She's got a wooden mixer, she's got an ice cream set, and then some odds and ends, and this pot set. This pot set came from Kmart. It's like wooden eggs that open out in half. They've got little yellow yolks inside, so cute. It was only $5 from Kmart. So we just shove everything in there, and can't see it, so it's good. And then under the stairs we've got my son's wooden Thomas the Tank Engine set, and he actually said that he is ready to sell this. He's had it since he was 2. He used to have a lot more and we slowly sold off some pieces, but even though he said he's ready to sell it. I don't think I am. We spent quite a lot of money on this, plus when we have friends around, like younger kids, they love to play with the train set, so both boys and girls, and my daughter does as well, so I think I'm going to keep this for a while longer. And then also under the stairs is my daughter's baby doll cradle with 2 baby dolls and little set. It was just, I think, really cheap from Kmart. And the cradle her nan and granddad bought her for Christmas a couple of Christmases ago. And then this is just like a little $10 stroller. It actually folds up and it's from Target. Loves all the kids when they come here love putting the dolls in this and pushing them around. And then lastly, on the other side of the TV is this wooden market stand that I bought from Kmart. I think it was $69, and it actually came with the little wooden boxes and all the fruit. All the stuff here is these wooden like pantry items are all from Aldi. So I got those in the Aldi wooden toy sale where they have those as part of the special buys. All the fruit and veg came with the market table, and it's chalkboard paint, but I've never written on it. She does love the trolley that I bought to go with it, which is called a chalkboard. This is from Pottery Barn Kids. My daughter plays with this trolley so much. She loves putting her little dolls in there with their legs through here and put the seatbelt on them. And then we've just got these random bags. This is my version of their green, environmentally friendly shopping bags that I just keep in the trolley. My daughter recently had a birthday. You can see from all the leftover balloons, well, they both had birthdays quite close together, so we had parties for them. My daughter got this lovely giant jigsaw puzzle, and I think I'm going to store that in the box in that empty cupboard space in the IKEA unit. Coming into our spare room, which is like our guest room and my office. This is the spare cupboard, which is just full of stuff. I've tried to organize it, and I've tried in a couple of videos to organize it. This is the kids' shelves, so they've just got it's like a marble run thing, some board games, a jigsaw puzzle, and like craft stuff. So that shelf is all for my kids pretty much, and the rest of the closet is all mine and my husband's. Now we're in my son's room, and I don't like to keep a lot of toys in the bedrooms because I find the kids will tend to drag the toys out into the living room anyway and want to be where the whole family is and play all in the same place, and don't want to play by themselves in their rooms. As my son gets older, that may change, but when we had my daughter, we did have to put quite a few of his toys in here because they just weren't baby safe for like a toddler or baby under the age of 2 or 3. So he has got some stuff in here, and it's just stayed in here because I guess then it kind of separates his stuff from all the other toys that are in the living room. So I got in this cube shelf. It's kind of like the IKEA one, but I think this one is actually from Big W. So the first 2 shelves, it's got 6 shelves, and the first 2 cubbies have just books in them. Then he's got his Beyblades, which is all the rage at school at the moment. His more big boy Lego, and I decluttered a lot of Lego last year. And then things like remote controls and boxing robots, random stuff, and this is another box of random stuff, which is like this air car which you put together in game of Uno. Some random stuff in here. He also had this laundry hamper which was full of soft toys, and now it's not full so much. So that's all he's got there. And then under the bed we have Lego, which is this is pretty much his big Lego train set. See the instructions there, that's kind of what it looks like, and it's massive, and we keep that all under the bed in this plastic tub which fits perfectly under the bed. We've also got another plastic tub, that's the lid, and it's actually in the lounge, and it's full of Hot Wheel cars. I forgot to show you that, so I'll show you that now. The storage ottoman is fantastic. It goes with our couch, and it just lifts up, and this is currently where I'm keeping all my son's Hot Wheel tracks. So you can see this was the plastic tub that was previously under his bed, but there's not a lot of space in his bedroom, it's quite small, so he prefers to get the Hot Wheels tracks out and use the stairs and use the furniture to make ramps and cool things. So I figured there was nothing stored in here, so why not use that as storage for his Hot Wheels instead. There's this little trike that we keep in here. We just keep it indoors. Now we're in my daughter's room, and she really doesn't have a lot. She's got a huge hamper full of stuffed toys, which I keep trying to declutter, but she loves all of her stuffed toys, and she's got heaps more on her bed as well. Clearly I haven't made her bed today, but yeah, she just likes to go to sleep with all her cuddly toys. And then this dollhouse, I got this off one of those Facebook buy sell swap groups, and it was $80. And usually this dollhouse, because I looked it up, the brand, what it would have been brand new, and it would have been at least $250 to buy brand new. It's really cool. I like it because you can shut everything away and you don't see the clutter. And then she's just got some Sylvanian family kind of accessories in there, a couple of things that I bought her, and then most of the little families, like the cat and stuff, they were mine when I was a little girl. Alright guys, so that was my toy storage and organization tour for you guys. It's minimal for us, and I hope as the kids get older it will just get more minimal. But yeah, at the moment we do have little kids, and people do like to gift us stuff, and you know, we appreciate friends and family giving the kids toys, so I don't want to deprive them. But yeah, every now and then I will go through and declutter, and as you can see I try and store it so it's not in the way, and it really is a good amount of toys in terms of they have plenty to play with. And I probably could declutter a little bit more, but also it doesn't take much time to tidy up when everything has a home and there isn't too many toys. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and of course click on my face below if you haven't already subscribed to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!